This is the second round of exploding kittens. Tommy's gonna go first this time, and he was a winner last time.
I will have a favor.
A favor. Favor.
What?
Give him a card of your choice. I would give him...
Get away.
Tom, I would give him this one.
Why?
Because all those other ones are... Wait, no. Give him this.
No, I want that.
Yeah, but you don't have to. You'll be fine. Give him that. Yes, give him it. I'm helping you. I know how to play this. So what?
Then give it.
Give it. Give it to him, Kubis. Give it to him. Oh my god.
Oh my god, goodbye.
Oh, good job. Okay, Tommy, I'm coming over. Wait, it's not. Tommy's turn's not over yet. Okay.
What do you think I should do?
I will put down that. Tommy, another favor. Kubis,
I have to do more, so.
put down that.
No,
Yes.
I want it.
The rest of these are super good. Wait, no. Give him this.
No.
Yes.
You had to give me a rid of the
That's trash. You don't need it. Okay, Tom. Now, I would put, put them down.
Oh my.
See, I told you.
Well,
It's
I'm
not
trying to
your
help both.
choice.
Of my choice to give. Speak.
Okay,
Seriously.
I have to.
Whoo, that was lucky.
Wait, was that your diffuse?
Nope. Yeah, it was close to something. I don't know. Now I would just pick up a card. Okay.
Oh my god.
You should
I
have.
should have seen that.
Yes, I know. Okay.
No.
I would. Yeah. Okay, now pick up a card from the bottom, and now I'm going to Tom. Okay, Tom. Where's your... Oh, take this, and then put... Okay, put this down. Okay, and then put this, and... Where's the other... And this down. And then still your turn.
D.
Now it goes back to him, and... Do this.
D. Look it. You should have.
I'm trying to help both of you.
Kept it. Look it.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, things happen in life. Okay, well now you have to either go, and take 2 cards, or unless you have skip. Now you have to take 2 cards.
Go.
And you also didn't see this exploding kitten.
What do I do?
Put down your diffuse. Okay, I will insert it back.
No, I will. Cause it's my fuse. Let's go over here.
Okay, ready? We're gonna insert it. Gonna insert the card. Let's go! Yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yeet! Yeet!
My turn.
Yep, I'll help you if you need help. Okay, nope. Okay, Kubis' turn. Here, can I see your card? Put down. Yeah. Okay, wait! I gotta see. Card. Okay, pick a card. Tom!
It's her fault.
That was your fault! You wouldn't let go!
Tape it back together.
Oh, is it the fuse?
Yeah, why you gotta be so salty, Tom?
You can tape it back together.
Go away. We can't.
Yes, you can.
No, we don't have any freaking tape. You're being stupid. Okay.
I still use it.
Yeah, it's your turn, Tom. No, it's still Kubis' turn.
I'll just not use that part.
Just go.
Just put this down. Okay, Tom, take 2 cards. Oh, jeez. Okay, Kubis, take a card. Ooh. Okay, Tom.
That's my last card too.
Take
No.
sticker card and ooh, Tom has lost. Tom has lost. Whoa! If you guys didn't see that, that went zooming past my face. Okay, this is the end of video 2. We're gonna have one more video with them, only them two. Then I'm gonna join. Okay, see you later, dude.